name is Anustup. I am from Brainware University and currently I am pursuing my masters in 4th semester, and also I am placed in Amazon. And in terms of the holistic development is concerned, the department has helped me for my growth in academically. Also, it has helped me immensely for my growth psychologically and for my research competency too. I should be very much thankful to Brainware University and to my Department of English and Literary Studies. And also, if one asks me that why one should join Brainware University, my humble answer to those would be that Brainware not only gives you the culture or the ambience or the techniques how to go out in the world, but it also provides you a holistic development for your character, and that is immense for someone's lifestyle.